Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi A5 interior lights, only way. Start by opening the door and locating the light housing you want to replace, then remove the trim carefully with a pry tool. Next, unscrew any visible fasteners and gently pull the housing free to expose the bulb or LED module. Identify the bulb type, replace it with the correct part, and reassemble the housing securely before testing the light. Use a plastic trim, pry to release panels without marring surfaces or breaking clips. Insert the tool at a corner, apply steady pressure until the clip pops free, then move along the edge, releasing each clip one at a time. Keep screws and clips in a small tray so nothing goes missing, and place trim parts on a soft cloth to protect finishes while you access the light housing inside the panel. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It adds hands-free control and great sound while you work on your car, and it can set timers for your job. Check the video description for the link and other deals, and if you pick one up, it makes a handy workshop companion. Now let's get back to the video. Remove the old bulb or LED module by pulling it straight out to avoid bending contacts and damaging the socket. Compare the replacement to the removed part, checking size, connector type, and polarity if applicable, then insert the new module firmly until it seats. Restore power briefly to test the light, making sure brightness and color match expectations, and only then proceed to reattach panels and fasteners for a clean finish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.